Today, we're looking at the 10 best WordPress themes for 2021. These bold and colorful WordPress themes are perfectly suited to help you build a creative and eye-catching website that adds a professional touch to your online presence and branding. Whether you're in need of a personal, commercial, or agency website, there is something here for everyone. All items featured today are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Unbound Business Agency Multi-Purpose Theme by Radiant Themes. At number 10 today, we have a theme perfect for corporate, business, consulting, or agency websites. Cross-browser compatible and with a huge collection of customizable pages, including over 25 unique home pages and 150 pre-designed template blocks. This theme is sure to leave a lasting impression on your visitors. Number 9. LMS Online Courses WordPress Theme eLearning by Design Themes. Next up, we have a colorful and artistic education WordPress theme uniquely created for learning management websites. With this theme, you can add curriculum, courses, lessons, quizzes, teacher profiles, attachments, payment integration, and online tutoring with just a few simple clicks. Number 8. Onum SEO and Marketing Elementor WordPress Theme by Ocean Themes. At number 8 today, we have a business WordPress theme designed specifically for SEO and digital marketing companies. This theme comes pre-packed with a drag-and-drop page builder to give you full customization abilities. Onum is built with the latest web technologies to allow for fast and reactive responses on all devices. Number 7. Zuka Clean Minimal WooCommerce Theme by LA Studio. Next up, we have a multi-purpose website that's perfect for creatives, studios, and agencies who want the ability to integrate a portfolio into their online presence. Coming with a variety of pre-made templates, layouts, and design options, this theme will help you to capture your viewers' attention as soon as they land on your page. Number 6. SaaSnext WordPress Theme for App, SaaS, and Startup by SH Theme. At number 6, we have a WordPress theme specifically designed for various types of SaaS products, software, startups, app showcases, and related products and services. You can use SaaSnext as a better way to present and promote your startup SaaS applications, mobile apps, software, and digital products. And with Demo Data Importer, you'll be set up and ready to customize your site in minutes. If you're enjoying this countdown, hit the like button and subscribe to the Envato YouTube channel for more. Number 5. Blogosphere Multi-Purpose Blogging Theme by CMS Masters. At number 5, we have a gorgeous WordPress theme that is all about blogging. With several blog layouts and fully integrated WooCommerce shop, no matter if it's a personal or professional culinary, lifestyle, health, or celebrity-focused blog you want to create, Blogosphere will easily fit it all. Number 4. Ginza Furniture Theme for WordPress by Road Themes. Next up, we have this fully responsive WordPress theme. An excellent template for furniture and interior design stores, it can be easily used to create a beautiful catalog of stock and integrates WooCommerce supports to help customers purchase and shop more comfortably. Number 3. JNews WordPress Newspaper Magazine Blog Theme by Jeg Theme. At number 3, our next WordPress is designed to provide an all-in-one solution for every publishing need. With JNews, you can explore endless possibilities in crafting the best fully functional website. With over 120 homepage options, this theme allows you to incorporate news sites, magazine sites, blog sites, and editorial sites into your page. Number 2. EcoLife Organic WooCommerce WordPress Theme by Plaza Themes. Our next beautifully designed WordPress theme is perfect for creating an online presence for supermarkets and grocery stores. With 100% web-responsive design, EcoLife WordPress theme makes your shop look sleek and professional and is highly customizable on any device. Number 1. Zox News Professional WordPress News and Magazine by MVP Themes. Stand out from the crowd with this versatile and multi-purpose news theme that puts a focus on your site's content. This theme is WooCommerce compatible and includes 8 article layouts, 5 featured post layouts, and one-click demo import, making getting pressing news items out to audiences fast and easy. That wraps up the roundup of the 10 best WordPress themes for 2021. Did any of those items catch your eye? Let us know your favorite in the comments below, and open the video description for links to all of the items shown here today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Envato YouTube channel for more helpful roundups. And check out the next video selected just for you.